Okay, how to upgrade, I'm going to show you. Now open up your SafeBell. You're going to click on Explore, and you're going to go to your search on the search app. You're going to click there. You're going to log into your dashboard, and you're going to choose Optimism. If it didn't refresh, you will press the three dots here at the top, and you will press refresh. Sometimes it takes a little while to come up. There you go. Now you scroll down to where it says this person is already on Serenity, 2 direct, so they're starting to earn, and they got 13 in their team. So let's see if they can upgrade. You press rank upgrade. This says it's got insufficient funds. I want you to go calculate how much you must pay in if you wanted to upgrade. Okay, so you're going to write these two figures down. The bottom one is how much you need, and the top one is how much you've got. So you're going to go to your calculator, and you're going to put in 0.01066, and you're going to take away what you have, 0.006224. And then what I normally do is I hold there and I copy it, and then I go back to SafeBell. I say OK. I close it here with a circle and a cross. I go back arrow. Then you go to the bottom, it says wallet. I go press here in the middle where it says Ether Optimism. I click there. I go to the word sent at the top. I click here in the middle where it says amount of Ethereum. Then I go and I paste what I just put in. I scroll up and I see it's 165 Rand. Always add a little bit extra. If you're going to ask somebody to do it for you, add an extra 10 or 15 Rand. And that is how much this person needs to upgrade. So then you're going to see, is it worth it or not? In this case, I would say yes.